Welcome to today's literacy lesson. Today we're going to do some more initial sounds. Remember, initial sounds are the sounds you can hear at the start of a word. That sound is called a phoneme. It just means the sounds you can hear at the beginning of a word. Remember, let's think our name. So my name is Simon. So the initial sound at the beginning of the word Simon is a Simon. Simon. Next we've got B. The initial sound at the beginning of B, B. Like B. I can't think of a word that starts with B. Bumblebee. There we go. Or bouncy. There you go. And we've got Angie. Angie. Oh, I think there might be some sounds on the board today that start with the same sound as Angie. Let's find out. Let's look at each, each picture and see what it is. So, first of all, we've got her apple. Apple. Then we've got a watch. 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 This, we drink coffee from it. It is a cup. A cup. Cup. And we've got a windmill. Windmill. And we've got the ant. 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 This we brush our hair with. It's not a brush, it's a comb. A comb. Comb. Here is a whale. A whale. Whale. And finally, we have a cow. That's right, a cow. Two sounds in cow. Ow. Cow. Fantastic. Let's see if we can put these into sentences. You can try this at home. Pause the video if you want to. I'll have a go. Simon loves to eat a green apple. Watch. What time is it? Said Simon. B says, I don't know, my watch has stopped. 42 ants were climbing up the tree. Simon held his steaming cup of hot coffee. Windmill, the little red hen, took the grain to the windmill. Comb. The man combed his long hair. Whale. The biggest animal in the sea is a blue whale. Cow. There are 6 cows in the field. Good. So, we've got our pictures. We know what they are now. Now we're going to see what sounds they start with. Let's find out. Let's start over here with the apple. So, apple. Watch me say it. Apple. Remember I said that Angie starts with an Angie. Well, we've got apple. Apple. Angie. Now this is an A. And an A makes the sound Whoops, sorry. We'll draw it again. We go round, up and down. For apple. So an apple starts with an A for apple. Okay, what else do we have? Let's go for windmill. windmill. Watch my mouth. Windmill. This sound, windmill. That's right, for windmill. And the w sound is made by a W, which is down, up, down, up. For windmill. Good. Let's see what else we have. Let's go with the one right over here. The cow. Let's put the cow up here, shall we? There's the cow. What's my mouth? K-ow. K-ow. That first sound, not the ow, the k-ow. K for cow. And a k. This k is made by a C, which goes round and stop. So far we've got A for apple, W for windmill, and K for cow. Good. What else? Let's see. Now these ones fit somewhere, are either an A, or W, or K. Which do you think? Let's start with the watch, shall we? There's the watch. 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 What can you hear? Can you hear an A? Watch. Can you hear a K? Watch. Or can you hear a W? Watch. That's right. I can hear a W too. Let's put that there. Windmill. Watch. Very good. What else have we got? We've got the ant. There's the ant. Ant. Is it a k, like cow? K for cow. Ant. W for windmill. Or is it an A for apple? Apple. Ant. There we go. So we got A, apple, ant. W, windmill, watch. K, cow. We need another K sound. Which one of these starts with a K sound? We've got a whale, a comb, and a cup. Which one has a K sound? Cup. Fantastic. There we go. So, k, cow, cup. 2 left to put. Where does the whale go? Whale. W. Which one was the W sound? Ant. A. Windmill, watch, or cow, cup? Whale. Whale, windmill. That's right. Windmill, watch, whale. So just got the comb. K. Which one's the k? Yes, like the cow and the cup. Very good. A, apple, ant. W, windmill, watch, whale. K, cow, cup, comb. Can you think of anything else that starts with an A? We've got Angie. Angry Angie ate an apple. Very good. Anything else starts with a W sound? Weasel. Wednesday. Water. Good. And the K. We've got K, cow. K, cup. K, comb. K, clap. K, come over here. Very good. Well done. It's really hard to think of words when you're doing this. Well done, everybody. Go around the house, see if you can find other things that start with an A, a W, or a K. Very good. Let me know what you find. Bye-bye.